How to delete iMessage games on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Messages and tap on it. You are now in the Messages settings page. Here, scroll down and go to iMessage apps. These are all the apps that are included with an app. Turn off the game app switches from here. After that, go back to the home screen and tap on the Utilities app icon. From here, tap and hold the GarageBand app. And then, select Remove app. Tap on Delete app to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily delete iMessage games on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.